son of a bitch. You son of a bitch, you killed my bunny. I understand it's the life, but you killed my bunny. You son of a bitch. You have no fear. I'm standing right here. I'm standing right here, and you have no fear about killing my bunny. You son of a bitch. You are beautiful, though. You're a beautiful hawk. You are a big, huge, beautiful hawk. You have no fear. I'm standing right here. Are you gonna try to fly away with it? You're hunching down. Oh, is it because you see your other friends circling over there? There's some other ones circling. You keep looking at them, huh? Yeah, they're up there. They see you. They're circling. They see you. Okay, we're back to eating again. Now, this bird that is constantly yelling, is that bird your babies? Or is that bird yelling to say, stay out of the area because there's a hawk? Because honestly, there is no birds around here.